This is Avital with Organic Social Media, and in this video tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to find your Amazon S3 account, find your buckets, create a bucket, upload a file, and change the status of your file to public in case you want other people to view your file or download. So let's begin. First, finding the AWS is a little different. So this is the Amazon website, and this is where you go if you want to purchase or shop or view your MP3 cloud. This is not the same as your S3 cloud. This is just where any music you purchase through Amazon, it will be stored in your MP3 cloud. If you want to access your content cloud, where you store files if you upload videos for a podcast, a membership website, that's going to be your S3 cloud, which is through the Amazon AWS console. So instead of going to Amazon.com, do a Google search for AWS Amazon, and you'll see it's aws.amazon.com. This is going to take you to your S3 cloud. I usually just go to my account right here, and it'll ask me to enter my password with the email address and sign into the secure login, which is very similar to if you were to log into your regular Amazon account. When you first log in, you're going to see all of this stuff to choose from, and you're probably thinking, this is what I thought when I first saw it, what the hell do I click on? And so what you want to do is, over here on the top right, it says Amazon Simple Storage Service S3. And that's what you want to click on. Do not click on Amazon Route 53. I don't know where that's going to take you. Amazon Simple Storage S3, top right, and when you click on it, you'll be taken to this window, which gives you another whole bunch of options to choose from. What I did, which is a lot easier, instead of trying to figure out which tab to choose and go up to My Account, go to AWS Management Console. It will be an option available once you log in. And then you're taken to this page, which is still a whole bunch of content. So your S3, where you're going to store your files, is under Storage and Content Delivery. So the bottom left, the S3 is right here. That's going to take you to your cloud and your files in your Amazon S3 account. If you want to create a new bucket, you can click this button right over here on the top left to create a new bucket. And the bucket name can be whatever you want, and then you just click Create. I'm going to cancel because I already have enough buckets. You can have as many buckets as you want. I have buckets for different projects that I'm working on, whether it's a membership website or a podcast. In order to add a file, it has to be in one of your buckets. So if I click on Action, I can either create a bucket or refresh. But if I go into any one of these buckets, I can now upload a file. And so you need to be in one of those buckets in order to upload a file. By default, Amazon S3 will automatically make your file private. At least that's what it did for me. So if you want your file public, for example, if you're uploading a podcast to your S3 account and you want it to be made public so people can listen to your podcast, you're going to highlight whatever file you want to make public, go up to Actions, and then go Make Public. Otherwise, by default, and then select OK. Otherwise, by default, it will make it not available to the public, and only you will be able to hear it. One of the benefits if you're using this for a membership website, but it gets a little tricky if you're using it for a podcast. So that's a quick walkthrough of how to find the cloud, how to navigate to your S3 account through the AWS Amazon console, and hopefully in a language that you can understand. My name is Avital with Organic Social Media. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and hopefully you'll check out my Organic Social Media webinar. Thanks so much.